Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Add petals of 1 dry rose. You can clean wash the rose and sun dry for just a day before using it. Dry rose petals has a lot of health benefits, such as it is rich in vitamin C that helps to maintain natural skin radiance, soothes irritated skin, promotes collagen production, high in antioxidants, seals moisture into cell and helps to hydrate them, helps to prevent dark circles and has a natural soothing aroma. This dry rose petals improves metabolism in addition to clearing the toxins from the body, thus aiding to weight loss. Add half teaspoon of cumin seeds to. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effect, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy drink to lower blood pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity, so do try this healthy drink that lowers high blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.